which means these right here cost me 23 cents. This was my first transaction. When you buy 2 Colgates, you get a $4 register reward. I had a 3 off 2 digital that came off. I paid $5 out of pocket, but I got back that $4 register reward, which I rolled into my next transaction. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. As you see, the $3 off 2 digital came off. I paid $5 out of pocket, but I got back that $4 in register reward, which means these right here was 50 cents a piece. So let's look at my next transaction. Okay, this is my second transaction and final transaction because these are things that I needed. Okay, on the Dove, it's when you buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. I had an 8 off 2 digital that came off. With the Palm Olive, it's when you buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. I had a 75 cent off 1 digital that came off. And I rolled the register reward that I got from here onto here to lower my out of pocket. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. Y'all see the $4 register reward from here that I rolled, the 8 off 2 digital for there, and the 75 cent digital for here. I paid $6.23 out of pocket, but I got back $3 here for the Dove, $3 here for the Palm Olive, which means these right here cost me 23 cents. 23 cents. 23 cents, fam. You cannot beat that. When you roll in your register rewards, always use whatever register reward that you get first onto your next transaction. That's called rolling your register rewards to lower your out of pocket. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. This is a great deal. 23 cents for here, 50 cents for there. 23 cents for here, 50 cents for here. You cannot beat that. You cannot beat that. So I pray that y'all having a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.